Hey everyone, it's Jake from Westcott, and today we'll be going over how to update your firmware for the FJ800 and FJ400 V2. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab our laptop and go to fjwestcott.com/firmware. Once we're on the firmware page, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to our strobe and download the most recent firmware. Now, once we downloaded the most recent firmware, it will download as a zip file. We'll go ahead and uncompress that. And once we uncompress that, there are two files in the folder. There's the changelog, which goes over all the updates that have occurred in this firmware, and you should always read this and view it before installing your firmware. Next, we have the bin file, which is what we'll drag into our strobe. Anytime we update anything in the FJ wireless ecosystem, we always want to make sure we remove the battery first. So let's go ahead and do that. Once we have our battery removed, let's go ahead and plug in our USB-C cord into our laptop. Once we've done that, let's go ahead and plug it into our strobe. Once we've plugged in our strobe into our computer, it'll pop up as a USB device. From there, simply drag and drop the bin file into that device. Once it's transferred over, go ahead and safely eject the device, and you're all set. Now that we've uploaded the firmware into the strobe, let's go ahead and remove the USB-C cord. Once we've removed that, let's go ahead and put our battery back on, and we are going to confirm whether the firmware was successfully uploaded. Once we've reattached the battery, let's go ahead and power on the unit to see if the firmware successfully uploaded. To do that, all we do is press the power button. Once the power icon appears on the screen, go ahead and tap it, and you'll see the firmware version located at the bottom of the screen. Just confirm that is the version number that you downloaded, and if it is, you are all set to go. That's it today for updating firmware for your FJ800 and FJ400 V2. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and as always, thanks for watching.